In this video, I'll explain how to change the background color from white to black. Go to the advanced settings, Control+E, model view. In users, you must change this value. Copy this, replace the value. Do it for all these four. Apply OK. In this way we will change the background color. Now you see the views, so the background color is changed. Now if you want to change the color in drawings, so open the drawing. See, here we can see the drawing background is white, so if you want to change the background to black, you just close and open advanced settings, Control+E. Here go for drawing views. In users, you change this value from false to true so that it will be changed to back. Apply OK. OK. So now you can, once you close it and open the drawing list, open the drawing. So now we can see the background also changed to black.